Yeah, hello and welcome everyone to our presentation in which we will introduce Trufi to you. We are Christian and Sarah, and we will show you how you could customize our white label solution for your public transport requirements. But before we get to this, I like to explain where we are coming from. For us, as Trufi Association, our mission is coping with informal transport systems. Informal transport means that there are no official bus stops, as little as a timetable. There is neither a documentation of bus lines nor an official transport network. And an uncountable number of agencies organize this kind of traffic system, of course, each in its own way. Transport systems like these are prevalent in numerous developing countries like, for example, Ghana or Bolivia. There are also hybrid forms of informal transport systems, which are nevertheless relatively difficult for passengers to follow. And that's the reason why Trufi developed an open source app for the informal transport systems. With this app, it's possible for the passengers to find bus stops, times, and the most important thing, the route to their destinations. The Trufi app makes use of open data, and as a white label, it is applicable for every region in the world. It creates transparency in every environment of hardly available and distributed information. By all these achievements, on this very strong basis we built in the past, we can do even more. It is a good starting point to develop further applications in the mobile sector. And now we come to our latest project. This is about to bring cyclists and public transport together. We developed an app during the International Transportation Summit Hackathon. With this app, cyclists can reach their route more efficiently in combination with the public transport. The app provides to the user a lot of things like better connections, faster connections, and also very interesting and important new connections the cyclist didn't know before. We developed the basis of the app very quickly when we participated in the International Transportation Summit Hackathon in November 2020. And this is a good point where I like to give the word to Christian.
Thank you, Sarah. So what do we have to do to build up an app based on the Trufi white label template? At first, we got to find a good name. In this case, we chose Not Without My Bike. The second thing is we have to create a unique UI design. Next step is to set up a backend, which includes requiring the data sources for public transport from the official sources or from OpenStreetMap. Step 4 is to fork the Trufi app from Trufi core and customize the app and the app view for the specific needs. In this case, we developed an UX design especially for bike users' needs. It focuses on showing the added value of a combinational use of public transport and riding your own bike. So what we designed here is a routing app, which is computing your routes to your destination and informing you about the saved time for each option of the combination. It shows you a description of the chosen route, including the hop-on and hop-off points within the transport stations and all transfers. Furthermore, it offers you a map view for your route. Our next step is the backend. The standard Trufi backend is OpenTripPlanner, which comes with its own web UI, which is shown here. The backend router relies on maps from OpenStreetMap and schedule data and real-time information on capacity and schedule. Additionally, we add points of interest of the specific area. For informal traffic, we additionally include route information of public transport from OpenStreetMap. So what do we have right now? We have the customized Trufi app with maps, personalized favorites and bookmarks, routes and places, points of interest, searched and skinned with our own visuals, colors, and elements. On this basis, we enabled new ways of mobility with 3 opportunities and new insights. You can use now multimodal transportation and discover routes that optimizes times and weights. You can be faster in your transport, faster than using public transport alone. You can reach your destination faster by the combination of modes of transport. And you can ease up travels. Lower the number of transfers by adding multimodal transportation. In this case, an additional requirement was the integration with existing other mobility apps. Here we have Rad Plus of Deutsche Bahn, which offers an integration point. This project is using gamification to motivate people to increasing their bike utilization. This is another example of extending and integrating Trufi in other environments. All in all, the hackathon lasted 24 hours, and we are very, very proud that Trufi achieved all these objectives and added value to public transport in just one day. So thank you for watching.
We thank you for watching. We hope you enjoyed the video. And for any further information or collaboration, please visit our website, trufi.app. Goodbye and see you soon.